Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Daily Dash. Today, it's hot as balls as usual in Las Vegas. It is 106 degrees right now. It's actually not as bad as it has been, but we're doing a Daily Dash. Today we are using the PAR app. I re-downloaded it. We're gonna see. So far, I've only gotten $4 and $4.25 orders. Nothing's really broke $5 yet, so we don't really have any use for the PAR app yet. But we are just gonna be logged in. I'm gonna drive over to Dutch Bros right now because my roommate works there and she said she could hook me up. So I'm gonna go get a cool drink. I was debating on getting a 7-Eleven Slurpee or something because it's so damn hot. But yeah, so today we are going to try to get a double dash, the new DoorDash feature, or we're gonna try to get, I don't know, just something that we can use the PAR app for. And I know it's a tip predictor. It's not tip transparency like it used to be, but we're gonna kind of give a review on the tip predictor and stuff, and obviously we'll see if it's correct or not. I wonder, I don't know how they work this. I know they can they kind of base around what percentage, they give you a certain amount, for example, when you order and you have a $20 order or something, DoorDash can give you $2, $3, or $4. Do you want to tip them $2, $3, or $4? Something like that, you know? Anyway, so I think they just have this algorithm that basically bases it off that. It would be nice if it got as detailed into for example, customers' previous history. Let's see. So we got a McDonald's order. Estimated payout is $4.50 or $4.75. We are not going to do it. I'm not going to do anything that's under $5. I really just do not want to touch anything under $5 today because I've been doing a lot of $5 orders lately, and I'm just not doing it. I'm going to wait till we get a good high-paying order. That way we can really test out the PAR tip predictor thing. All right, I'm going to put my camera away because it's probably sweating up on the dashboard. Look, there's my roommate. She's working. Damn, it is freaking hot outside. 104. You're on my vlog.
It's funny because I told people today too, I was like, hey, if you just have anybody nice come through, just give them a free drink today.
Hey,
what do you want?
That blue shit.
The cotton candy?
Yeah, the cotton candy.
Lemonade?
Yeah.
Do you want a coffee too?
Sure. Annihilator. Hey.
Large iced Annihilator. Do you like regular milk or oat milk?
Oat milk.
That's how I like it too.
Yeah.
And then I put extra sweet because we take out a scoop and put it back. Anyways, you want it, trust me.
Dope. This is my roommate, Madeline. Madeline, my YouTube audience.
Oh, what's good? You and that good Dutch Bros line. We're quick, we're nice, and you're not going to tell anybody these are free.
No. I didn't tell anyone they were free.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Swag. Have a good day. See you in a few hours. Bye.
Okay. Yeah. Hooking it up. Dutch Bros is my new favorite place. I actually came here a bunch of times before, and every time I got something, it was so damn sweet. I couldn't drink it, but obviously with a roommate that works here, she knows all the secrets and all the things to get. I got this blue cotton candy drink that she got yesterday. So good. I forget what it's called, but definitely bomb. I got paint all over my hands because I've been freaking painting this wall all day long. Got to get all my equipment ready for this Tahoe show that's coming up. Still have yet to get an order, but I am out of my dashing zone. But we're gonna head over to the outlet mall right after this. That's where we're gonna get the good orders. All right, let's go. Bam! Oh yeah, now we are totally set for this super hot day. Today it's gonna be a good day. I can feel it. I'm gonna make some money and try to stay inside of my car. So not gonna lie, I will definitely take an order that has a drive-through over a place that doesn't have a drive-through because of how freaking hot it is. Let me know in the comments down below. How hot is it where you guys are living today? Let me know where you are and how hot it is, because this is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Why did I move to a microwave oven? All right, we got an order, $7.50 for 6.4 miles. I'm not gonna take it because it kind of eliminates the point of the experiment, because I know for sure I'm not getting a post tip on that. Kind of really wanted to calculate I don't know. My goal is to get either a DoorDash or an app or a order that will actually park and like we can compare how accurate the tip transparency thing is. On this one, I obviously know that I'm not getting a tip because it's barely $1 a mile. So, yeah. All right. So we got a possible one. Para says that the estimated payout is $7, but we're gonna test this theory. It says it's $7 though, but I think it could be more because it's a 3 mile order, $7. It's more than $2 a mile, and I'm actually like literally right next to Buffalo Wild Wings, so I'm just gonna take it so that it doesn't take us far away from the outlet mall anyway, so we can get at least 2 dashes in today. So let's make this $7 real quick. Alright, we are going to add on an extra $6 because it's only for an additional 835 yards. That's pretty good, right? And only 835 yards? What is that? A quarter mile or so? I don't know. How much is 835 yards? Is that a half mile? I don't even know. How far is a mile? 5,600 feet or so? Something like that? I don't know. Anyways, we're at Buffalo Wild Wings. We're a bit early, so I'm gonna chill in my car in the nice air conditioning because the Jersey Mike's order is not ready for another 12 minutes, and the Buffalo Wild Wings order is not ready for another 10 minutes. So we're definitely not gonna go in yet. Not yet. All right, so we got both of the orders. Gonna go test out this Para trip transparency. Par tells you, yes, you are definitely headed towards the restaurant. Trip transparency. Yeah, so let's see how accurate this thing is. We'll see. I'm gonna be testing it out for the next few days, but definitely, hopefully, I hope it's wrong. Because it said I was not gonna get a post tip. Who knows? We'll see. It's a pretty big order. I don't know. All right, be right back. All right, so we did get a post tip on the Jersey Mike's order. Let's see what Para said I was going to get, because I don't believe that it said there was any tip. Okay, so Para was incorrect. Tip transparency did not work. It says estimated payout was $6 with a $4 tip. Incorrect, Para, unfortunately. Okay, well, it was $8. That's why I took it, because I was really suspecting that there was a post tip on this one. Although, $8, that's a lot for just one sandwich, not gonna lie. And I think I only need to drive like 2.8 miles or something like that, maybe even less. So, okay, 0 for 1, Para. 0 for 1. Not a good start, Para. All right, dropped off the second order. Para was correct on the second order, but there was no post tip. They just guessed the total correct. So kind of correct, but I don't know, it didn't really help at all. Okay, so far Para has not done really any good yet. I hate to say it, because I want it to do good. I really wanted it to do good. I wanted this title of the video to be Para discovers gigantic tip or something. We got another order. Estimated tip is $0. How is it? It's a $25 order. 0 tip? Really? Look at this. Look at that. $0 tip on $25 subtotal? Come on, what a Jew. No offense if you're Jewish, I'm sorry. I apologize. I don't mean to be offensive to anyone. It's so hard to not offend anyone nowadays. Like, I feel like I gotta like tiptoe around my words even though I don't really do it. But I say a lot of offensive stuff, like the R word, retard. I say it all the time. It's really hard for me to stop saying it because I've been saying it since I was like 12 years old. I used to call everyone retards. Now you're not supposed to say it. So, it's retarded. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. Just kidding. I'm gonna be very, very, very politically correct and not offend anyone anymore, guys. Just gonna be super nice and polite. That's what you guys come to my channel for. It's all the niceness, right? Just kidding. Okay, well, now we gotta drive kind of far back, all the way back over to the... So I'm gonna try to get a order that basically takes me back home. This is annoying. This is a $75 order from Outback Steakhouse. Oh my god, I did not just accidentally click that. Oh my god, I accidentally clicked accept. I'm not doing it, I don't care. Okay, it is a $75 order, subtotal. Para just told me there was a $9 tip, but it actually says $2.50. How ridiculous is that someone would order $75? I don't care if you're, are you gonna give me you better have a cash tip or something, but I can't trust that, you know, I just can't. $2.50 for a $75 subtotal order from Outback Steakhouse, and you're not tipping anything. That is ridiculous. Anyways, just had to throw that out there because it pissed me off. Alright, it's been about like 10 minutes or so, and I'm supposed to go to the gym with my friend Sarah in about 35 minutes, so we're just going to head home because I don't want to sit around and get another order or be late to the workout session. It's only 4 o'clock right now. It's not really a good time to be dashing anyway, so Para 50% today. You get a 50%, which is technically, if we were doing a test, a 50% is an F. So Para, you get an F today. Unfortunately, I had high hopes, but the tip predictor, it's just got to be going off an algorithm of like 20% of the order or 10% or something like that. I don't know. I don't know. They just know this, like, it's basically just you doing your own math. If you just probably take 10% of the order, you could probably figure it out. I don't know. Anyways, okay, so if you enjoy these videos at all, please consider subscribing to the channel. Got more daily content coming at you every single day, because that's what daily means. And make sure you guys smash that thumbs up for me. If you guys want to get yourself some off-access shoes just for the next few days, so today is August 10th. Yep, August 10th today. If you guys want to get yourself some shoes, I will use the discount code Tanner's YouTube, and they will be about $35 just for the next few days. So we'll do until August, my mom's birthday is in 2 days, so we'll do August 13th, the day after my mom's birthday. So August 13th is the last day you can use the code Tanner's YouTube, and you will get shoes for like 35 bucks. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace. Get yourself some shoes.